All right, so hi everyone. This is Jay from LifeRx Wellness. This is Daniel, and we just walk. How many miles we walk?
About 10 miles we did today.
10 miles, and what Daniel told me, he feel that little pulling sensation in his knee right in the front. Most of the time, yes, when you go down the hill, that's get this little tension up there. But it's not necessarily the knee problem. It could be your ankle. We're gonna do complex of exercise to release that tension. For this exercise, we will need a band. And if you guys can do this at the gym, the kettlebell is right there. So what you do, and you find the pole, which is right in here, attached to the pole, and all you do, you just kind of twist it and get this inside. So I'm gonna say, Daniel, go ahead, step inside that bad foot, forward, forward, forward. Do forward. Your foot forward towards me, face towards me. Here we go. So what I'm apply here, right on that joints where that tibia bone and his talus is come together. Now go as far as possible, get this tension, and what I'm doing, you can do half kneeling or just stay right here and kind of move your knee forward and backward, like stepping. Here we go. So what's this doing bend is distract your tibia bone back and your talus. So open this space up. Like I said, you can do half kneeling if you want.
Yeah, I feel like a nice relief
You
sensation.
feel it? Okay, great. Try to keep it straight. Like don't rotate your foot. So try to get foot back, rotate back. Here we go. You see the band and your big toe is gonna come together. So now tilt it, and not unnecessary to tilt too far. So just maybe like close to your big toe. So if I see that knee, it's a little bit more. Right there. So there, don't go too far. Perfect. Next one, right in here, all I want him to do, he just standing up here and turn this foot this way. So outside, step up here. So you see he's standing this way. And all he do, put this little bit more tension. Here we go. You can do like a little squatting, like squatting. There we go. You see it's pulling him out. Or you can even do more and create this.
So what happens while I'm squatting with the band?
It's pulling you out, right? Do you feel that?
And so what is pulling, what is the benefit of
It's get this mobilization in your ankle. You want this ankle mobile. And if I see your knee is collapsing, it's also, I'm gonna pull this out. Okay, next one, just try to step on this foot like this. Here we go. We create this stability. There we go. You see what's happening with this ankle? It's doing like this. Also, you can, wiggling, exactly. So that wiggling send the impulse to your brain and start to stabilize that foot, which is great. You can grab that band with the both arm and push forward. So create that exercise. Ooh, I just hit the kettlebell. Always pay attention. Great. So that kind of cool, you see, and it's going to be different between left and right. You always do both. We just show you one side.
So the idea why we do this on ankle, just because after long hiking the ankle becomes stiff because it's doing one kind of motion stabilizing your.
Exactly. This you have to do. Now release that one, and I want you to raise this band up towards your knee. So all the way up towards your knee. Let me show you.
I see.
There we go. And let me raise this up here too. Step close to me. Here we go. You always want to the same level, kinda. And here we go. Try that one. Knee, exactly. You can do a below the knee. Do below knee. It's a two position, and below knee and above the knee. Here we go. Yeah, you can give him this band too. He can play. It's called samurai, one leg. It's also balancing exercise. So push forward,
So when we do it on the knee, I feel it more in my hips. So
Yeah, exactly. Because we want that work. Remember the knee problem, knee pain, it's always the problem below or above. So hip or ankle. We are actually gonna mobilize that hip too. Exactly. How's it feel?
I mean, I feel like my hip is constantly working, and
Exactly. It's far up.
I feel like a release once I finish.
Yeah, let it go. Let it go. The bend. Step outside. Release. Now try to see. Just move. Get this knee away, bend away, and try to move. How's it feel?
Yeah, I
Do you
feel much lighter.
Exactly. So do this all the time, guys. Don't ignore. Just after a walk, do not just do stretches. People do stretches. Do the strengthening, do the stability, and that should be the key. Another one, my favorite one with the kettlebell. This is a little bit need to maybe softer. You have to stay close to me because this thing is full. Yeah, but that's fine. So this one is maybe if you have a knee problem, but you step up here, you hold that kettlebell. And the idea is that knee and that heel is come together in one line. Now you lift this up, and all you do is start getting forward. Drop that heel down. Very easy. And you can stay here and breathe. Try to keep your chest up. And I feel this in my hip and my quads everywhere. Try to do this side. And like I said, usually I put that pad under the knee so it's not gonna hurt the knee.
Like this?
Yeah, perfect. One knee, one line, and try to bend. Try to keep your chest up right here. Here we go. Always fold your chest. Perfect. And tell us, what do you feel?
I feel it more like
In the hip.
on this hip on the left.
Yeah. And if you go a little bit deeper, yeah. You're gonna feel this in your ankle too.
Yeah, I think that's much difference. People usually just think about the muscles like quadriceps or biceps.
You see, you turn your back. Here we go. We did correct it. So he's kind of trying to compensate it. And that's the idea, to work on that ankle after walk. And of course, light stretches, muscle activation with a band. Let it go. Let's try to get up and see how you feel. Some difference, right?
Yeah, that's different.
Exactly. So make a difference, guys. Don't do typical stretches. People like start stretching hamstring, which is you feel in the hamstring because what happened to you, if your anterior tilt hip, most guys anterior tilt hip is already loaded and you feel that. So do not stretch them because you put the more pressure on those hamstring. Try to activate your glutes, work on your front line, hip flexors. Try to balance it, not just a stretch. Okay? So thanks for watching. We'll guys see you next time.